Hey, DentistJess here. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time checking me out, I'm so glad you're here. If you've been here before or you've been keeping up with some of my other videos, thanks for tuning in again. Today I'm going to talk to you about how do I know if I have a cavity. So make sure to stay tuned. Okay, that multi-million-dollar question, how do I know if I have a cavity? Well, drum roll, you don't. I know that's very anticlimactic. However, most of the time we actually don't know if we have a cavity because in the early stages of a cavity formation, it shouldn't bother you. It shouldn't really hurt. It shouldn't be painful. Every once in a while, someone will be a little bit more sensitive. You might have some sensitivity to hot or cold or sweets, but if that's the case, it's probably already a little bit deeper. So the very first thing, how do we know, is you go in and see your dentist and they can do a clinical exam. What they will do is they will blow a little bit of air on the tooth. They'll start to look for any white demineralization, anything like that. They might use their Explorer to check the surface of the tooth to see if it's soft, to see if there's a catch. The other thing that they will do is something called a radiographic exam, where they will take x-rays, and on the x-rays we're going to want to look for any dark shadows, anywhere that it looks like they're starting to have a cavity form. Basically, how do I know if I have a cavity? You go see your dentist, you make sure that they are doing those two things. They're checking to see if there's any signs of decay on the teeth itself. If you are having sensitivity to sweets, sensitivity to hot or to cold, there's a chance that there might be something going on in the tooth, and I would suggest that you follow up with your dentist regarding that. If you're having a toothache, that means that you probably have something a little bit deeper or maybe more invasive going on. Again, you should follow up with your health professional. So that's a quick one for you today, guys. How do I know if I have a cavity? You have to go check with your dentist. Basically, they have to check a clinical exam and a radiographic exam. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Make sure to subscribe. Check out my other video on what is a cavity. And until next time,